Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, alloy rims, keyless entry, power mirrors, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find heated seats, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, a backup camera, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a navigation system, power seats, cruise control, a trip computer. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."